Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and easy Italian beef sliders, so let's get started with the video. In a pan over medium heat, add olive oil. Then add 1 pound of shaved steak. Proceed to break up the shaved steak. Next, add a half a cup of diced onions, seasoned salt, pepper, Kinder Sweet Heat seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Then continue to cook the steak until it has browned. Once you finish cooking the steak, turn off the heat and set it to the side. Next, in a saucepan, add 3 cups of beef broth or water. Then add a half a cup of pepperoncinis, including the juice from the peppers, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 packet of Au Jus Gravy, and Italian seasoning. Then, mix everything together until well combined. Cook the gravy over medium heat until it comes to a boil while stirring occasionally. Once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat and let it simmer for 1 to 2 minutes while continuing to stir occasionally. Once it's finished cooking, take it off the heat. The gravy will become thicker as it cools. However, if you want it to be even more thick, add 3 tablespoons of flour with the gravy mix before adding it into the water or broth. Next, add half of the gravy in the same pan as the shaved steak. Let the steak cook in the gravy for about 1 to 2 minutes over medium-low heat. When you're finished, turn off the heat and set your steak to the side. Now we're going to prepare the rolls for our sliders. To do that, first we're going to make some garlic butter. In a bowl, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Then add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped parsley, and a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Then mix everything together until well combined. When you're finished, set your garlic butter to the side. Next, place 8 Hawaiian rolls on a cutting board. Then cut the Hawaiian rolls in half horizontally. Next, place the Hawaiian rolls on a baking sheet lined with tinfoil. Remove the top bun and place it next to the bottom bun. Then brush the inside of the Hawaiian rolls with the garlic butter you prepared before. When you're finished, place the Hawaiian rolls in the oven at 400 degrees until it has toasted. Next, add the steak you cooked before on the bottom buns of the Hawaiian rolls. Then add slices of provolone cheese on top. Now place the sliders back in the oven to melt the cheese. Once the cheese is melted, add giardiniera on top of the cheese. Then place the other half of the buns on top. Finally, brush the top of the buns with garlic butter. And that's it, you are all done. And this is the finished result. These Italian beef sliders were so good and filling, the meat was well seasoned, and everything about it was just delicious. Let me know what sliders you want me to make next in the comments. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!